Tank Engine and Friends. Shining Time Stories, episode 16, season 2. Episode 16. Ace the Race Car. One day, Flying Scotsman, Scotsman found his way. Crying, "Hello there, Scotty! Ace the Race Car, what are you doing there? Doing stuff. Well, there's no way you could get to Sotar from here." "Oh, gonna jump then." Woo! Wait, you could. Alright, Scott, can you all sort of just like this, or like this? See, I'm self-driven by myself, so no person gets hurt. Hey, Spades, throw signals red. What do you mean, Scotty? Ah! Well, yes. Ah! Yikes! Yikes! Gotta jump! Wow! Oh! The bell! Yikes! Gotta jump! Oh! Oh! Not again. Wait! Ace! Wait for me! Scotsman, I'm driving backwards! Don't do it! Whoa! Whoa! Get off the rail! My wheel! Thomas was at Biggerstown Yards, being shunted by Nelson, being shunted by a road vehicle. How humiliating! You know, I have been transferred into tracks sometimes. Plus, see, I have rail wheels so I can go on railways. Miss Jenny usually uses me, but when I'm needed or I just had a wash down, she doesn't use me for rail transport. Yeah, it's really, your conversions are really costly, Nelson. See, you have to even be, like, carried in a special way. See, it's not that cheap, Nelson. Yeah, but it does work. Nelson went on. Nelson, like, why do you still carry that tower thing? I thought you lost that years ago. Years ago, I carried this old GoPro still around, old Hot Wheel GoPro, all around. So, you gave him a last name? Yeah! Hello! Can I go? Who are you? I'm Ace Race Car. I'm free and easy. Go all around the world. I always wanted to go around the world. It's easy. 5 cross countries all around the world. I'm going all around the world. There's railway tracks in other countries, you know. Yes, but Thomas has his work to do. Never mind about that. I can go around the world. Let me just first answer the top hat. Phew! I know where he is. Down by the upside, we are a team. Working together, just like family. Oh, come on, stop it, Salty. You know, you're getting replaced by a reporter. Nobody wanted to tell you that until like today. Wait, what? Yeah, so sorry about that. Down together, just like family. Down by the ducks, just a place to be. Crikey, when's the nearest ship to the world? Well, Ace the Race Car ship, by the way. Thomas? Have you ever heard of him? He's a hot shot. Yeah, I've heard of him. Ow! My! I look so ugly, Thomas, don't I? I need to be repaired. Aren't you on my... Yeah, but not cheese. They sent me to work like this. They forgot where my driver sits. Yeah, but still, you're pretty good. Our driver needs a cab. I need a cab. You're pretty good about that. went all around the world? Yes, indeed, Thomas, it would. Now go, yes, you would. Okay, I'll do my work. I'll be the very first engine. You could be the first. No one I'm saying has done that. Has it? I don't think so. Thomas was loaded onto a ship. Thomas and Caveman, Cranky, I'm coming with Ace, the race car. Wait, what? Yes, Sir Tom Hat said so. Okay. You sure? I'm sure. I'm sure. So Thomas was soon loaded onto the ship. Ace and Thomas were soon both on the ship. Thomas, I'm on the second floor. Are you okay? Yes, I am, Ace. Thomas and Ace soon left. Left the dock that day. At Knapford Station. When? Two-bill. Check. Honk your horn. All aboard! All aboard! At Knapford Station. Thomas! At Knapford Station. Where's Thomas? Where's Thomas? Gator said, as he had returned back from the payload. Thomas? Oh, I have no idea where Thomas is. Did he derail? I have no idea where Thomas is. Thomas? Hello. I don't know where he is, but I sure someone know. All percent. Why?